Today we're making this chicken and rice soup in the slow cooker. I love this recipe because it's hearty, it's delicious, and the best part is that in the morning, I throw everything in the slow cooker and I have dinner ready when I get home. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share lots of my family's favorite recipes for any night of the week. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I can cook together twice a week. Let's start with this slow cooker soup. I'm using chicken breast for the recipe, but you can use thighs. My onion, I just chopped it small. I'm gonna add it in the slow cooker. Now, of course, you can use frozen onions for this if they're already chopped and ready to go. I have some celery because it makes the soup hearty. It's also for flavor, aromatics. Let's add the chopped celery in the slow cooker. I took some carrots and chopped them really small. Fun fact, I didn't have any large carrots, so I took the baby carrots from the school lunch and chopped those. But you can also use frozen carrots or canned. Took 2 garlic cloves and minced them. On top of my veggies, right here as they are, I'm gonna take my chicken breasts and place them somewhere on top. Now I'm gonna add my chicken broth in my slow cooker. And to account for cooking the rice later, I'm adding a little bit of water into my slow cooker. Last but not least, I'm gonna add some poultry seasoning. Poultry seasoning is thyme, sage, rosemary, so you can pick and choose and add those, and a bay leaf. I'm gonna give everything a little bit of a stir. Put my lid on. The best part about this slow cooker recipe is that you can cook it on low all day and have dinner ready when you get home, or on high. I'll leave those details in the description box below. Now, one quick tip about this recipe is to measure your rice, because we're not adding it until when we get home 30 minutes before serving, and set it right next to your slow cooker and leave it there on the counter. So when you get home, you immediately remember, oh, I've got to add it. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. This meal has about 45 minutes left to cook, so what I'm gonna do now is remove the chicken from the soup, put it on my board, and between 2 forks, just shred it and put it back into the soup. And remember the rice that I told you to save for later so you don't forget. We're gonna add it now. Give everything a good stir so it combines with the chicken. And now we're just gonna put the lid on and let it finish cooking. Guys, this chicken and rice soup is ready. Let's ladle some up so I can show you how hearty and delicious it is. It's the kind of soup that it's not only easy to make because the slow cooker does all the work, but it tastes just like grandma's soup. It's so good. Comforting. Grab the ingredient measurements below this video. See you next time.